Hi guys, here we've got Nokia 5310, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So you can smoothly start it as you've got your phone in your hand, because you can just provide numbers right here. You don't have to go to your phone the other. So the first code would be *# or 6#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your device, and those numbers are for both first and second SIM card of yours. And this is it. So if you'd like to locate serial number, here you've got it. Smoothly enter this code, and right after that it will be displayed. So let's go back. Now, if you'd like to remove all data from your device, just provide a secret code, which is *# 7780 and pound at the end. So now, if you would like to perform a factory reset, just tap on continue. I will not do it because then you will have to sell your device from scratch, and no data is on device. Then you need to, it's like a new phone then. But if you want to do it, just tap on continue, and all data will be deleted. So let's go back. Another code that you can use, also truly useful, it's *2820 and pound at the end. And here you can smoothly locate your Bluetooth device address. And this is it. Let me quit this one. And another code that would allow you to check your device's model, it's *0000 and pound at the end. And here you've got it. So as you can see, it's Nokia 5310, and also you've got the production date here. So if you want to check it, here you've got it. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.